Today's video is regarding HP Invoice 7858 printer. So I'll show you how to do the copy and then wireless printing and scanning. To do a copy, simply place a page on the top scanner. So it should be facing downwards. Close the lid. Go to the display panel. You see there is a copy icon. Click on it. Select if it's a photo, ID or a document, and then select the number of copies, or you want one-sided or two-sided copy, and click on the black or color icon so that we can start the copy process. The output tray is an automatic tray, it will come itself. So this way we can do the copy, as we can see here, and also the print quality is good. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless printing and scanning. Now connect your printer with any device. For example, I have an iPhone, and open the HP Smart app. To do the printing, simply click any document you want to print and then click on the print icon. Open any document and click on the print icon. It will show up the details. You have to select your printer, and once you are ready, click on the print icon. Now I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning. You can use top scanner lid if you want to do scanning for passport, ID, or if you want to do it for multiple scannings. Place the pages on the top automatic document feeder facing upward. Now go to your app again, and here we have to simply click on the printer scan icon. You can also change the settings from the setting icon here, and then click on the blue icon. Here we can see the scanning is done, and you can see your page here. If you want to do multiple, simply place all the pages together and it will do scannings as a single file. Now you can save it by clicking on the save button. You can save it as a PDF or JPEG, and also change the name of the file. So this way we can do the wireless printing and scanning. Overall, it's very easy to use this printer to do the copy, print and scan. Thanks for watching.